Looking for the best turtle tanks? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 turtle tanks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Penn-Plax, Reptology Turtle Topper. Simple to attach to an aquatic turtle's aquarium. Easy for turtles to climb in and out. Roomy interior. Sturdy. Transparent lid for basking under heat lamp or UV light. Submerged platform for waterline basking. Aquatic turtles need ample space to laze about when they aren't swimming, making this turtle topper an essential accessory for any aquarium-style turtle tank. Best for 55-gallon or larger turtle tanks. At number 2. Exoterra Fornarium, Plastic Terrarium. Affordable, durable, optimized for portability, well ventilated. Easy access door and lid. Simple to clean. Transparent plastic on all sides. Available in mini, small, medium, and large sizes. If you need to safely and comfortably move a pet turtle, an Exoterra Fornarium is a must-have transportation tank. Not intended to be a turtle's permanent home. At number 1. Tetrafauna, Aquatic Turtle Deluxe Kit. Spacious 20-gallon tank. Includes heating lamp and UV light. Bundled with rock feature-like water filter, 3 filter cartridges, artificial plant mat, and mesh lid. Simple setup. This Tetra turtle tank is a comprehensive setup that makes it easy for first-time turtle owners to get started with their new pet. Cleaning tool and gravel sold separately. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.